All right, we're still working with the function machine in question number 21, and this is C, okay? If x is 8 and the output is 70, find y. So we're given one of the inputs, we have to find the other input, okay? Let's just flow through the machine and then till we get to the output. We already know the output is 70, but we don't know the value of y. So we're going to be writing everything that has to do with y in terms of y, okay? As simple as that. So x is 8, so we start with that. So the first thing we do is to multiply that by 3, right? So 8 times 3 is 24, right? And then next we have a y. We have to multiply y by 2, so we do y times 2, which is 2y, all right? Next, multiply together. So 24 times 2y, that will be 48y, isn't it? All right, then we'll move on to add 3y. Okay, so 48y plus 3y, that will be 51y, right? Okay, and the next is for us to take away 4x. 4 times the value of x is 8. So 4 times 8 is 32, right? So we are taking away 32. So this will become 51y. Take away 32. Of course, we know the answer already because we have the output, right? Which is 70. So this leaves us with a simple equation. And then once we're able to solve this equation, then we know the value of y. Okay, so let's do that together. So we have 51y minus 32 equals 70, all right? Remember, this is a two-step equation. So the first thing we have to do is to do away with the subtraction by reversing it. So we add 32 to both sides. So when we add 32 to both sides, okay, let's say we do 32, and then on this side we do plus 32, okay? So 32 minus 32 is off, right? And then we have 70 plus 32. So here we're going to have 51y left on this side. On the other side, we have 70 plus 32, which is 102. All right, at this point, what do we do? To have only y, we divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 51. So we divide both sides by 51. So 51 takes 51. And 51 in 102 is 2, all right? So y equals 2. So the value of y in the second input is 2, okay? Please go over the video the lesson if you have to. And remember, if you have any question, I'm always here. Thank you and God bless. Bye.